This 20th March is a very important day in dentistry because it is celebrated throughout the world. Approximately more than 150 countries, they unanimously take one stand and they celebrate this day throughout the world. Just to get the awareness, just to give the motivation of all the people in general, and especially giving an opportunity to all the dental surgeons to get awareness and to be very wise for the dental profession, and making it more and more approachable to the public and to the general people. This year we have the theme, be proud of your mouth, and obviously we are. And when we are proud of our mouth, that means we are proud of our gatekeeper. We are proud of gatekeeper of whole the body. And this gatekeeper, if it is strong, your whole house is strong and it is very protected. Be aware that when your mouth is with all the dentition in a healthy state, you enjoy all the mastication, you enjoy the privilege of good speeches, your laugh, and as well as you enjoy all the good smell of food and taste of the food in your mouth. That is the way that our body remains healthy. In Pakistan, unfortunately, dentistry has not raised up to that level which the European country has made the standard. Due to the reason of an excessive population, less dental population of the experts, less equipment, less facilities in the periphery of the Pakistan and the rural area of Pakistan with reference to dental approaches. The good qualified people are very less in number. You can say less than what you say 2,000. The consultants are very less, and that's why the specialist approach in dentistry is very limited to general public. Routine dental surgery is less than 30,000. When you compare it with the population, you will be astonished that in thousands we have one dental surgeon. And there are so many areas in Pakistan where the qualified dental surgeons are not available at all, and people are dependent on the quacks. This is very astonishing and this is very alarming for the health people in Pakistan to take this action. Especially I am talking of the Gilgit area, I am talking of the rural area of Sindh, I am talking of the South Punjab, I am talking of the Balochistan, where the peripheral people are unable to get the basic facility of dentistry. I will say rather simple extraction, simple filling, simple even the pain killing medicine are not available to them. This health day give us the alarming position that we should motivate our dental surgeon to go to the periphery to serve the people in periphery so that the poor people has the approach to maintain their mouth in a good healthy way. Second thing is the motivation of brushing and maintenance of oral hygiene. That is very important. Right from the schooling up to the adulthood, all the people required a good brushing techniques and good brushing habit. When you have the brushing habit, but you are not aware of the technique, your habit become drastic to your mouth. But when you have the good brushing technique, but your habit is not there and you are not performing your brushing regularly, that is another negative parameter. So this is the dual duty of the dental surgeon, that they should educate their patients that having a good dental hygiene, you must have the habit of brushing, you must have the good technique of brushing, and that is mandatory for all of us, and this message should be delivered to all the country. Now, International College of Dentists is proud to provide all these facilities and all these literary coordination with this conference, as well as to the dental news publishers for their for motivation to general public. We are going to have the dental camps in all the medical and dental colleges, and especially we are going to arrange these camps in the periphery. It remained the practice of dental news and ICD both, and with the help of other helpers as well, which are coordinating during this conference and during this whole 20th March day, that we are arranging walks, we are arranging public health school services, and we are providing the free toothpaste, we are providing the free brushes, as well as free checkup of all the patients. This we have also organized in different rural health centers, different basic health units as well, and every district, in every Tehsil headquarter, as well as the tertiary hospital which are related to the medical colleges. This whole practice is basically is a noble task, just to the serve to dentistry, just to serve the people who are basically demanding this whole lack of opportunity in their areas. Now, it is our duty for the Oral Health Day that we must go to motivate our own dental surgeons as well, that in their clinics, in their private practices, on this 20th day, the 20th March day, they must motivate their patient, and for their public health, their coordination and their help with all these organization is a very promising thing. In Pakistan, the dentistry is suffering not only with reference to the availability of the equipment, availability of the medicine, availability of the infrastructure at the government level, but also in the private practice as well. Private practitioners all over the Pakistan, they are scattered, and unfortunately more expert and highly qualified people are only available in the cities. They are not available in the periphery. That's why we are getting more and more complicated problem in the spread of dental hygiene and spread of dental motivation and preventive barriers. My request to the government, my request to all the authorities is that there should be a platform, special reference to motivation of the poor people dental hygiene. There should be school at surface mandatory for all of us, and there should be the course of dental subject in specially in the metric and in FSC AO level. There should be a good what you say lecture lessons to the children, and it is our duty that we must go to the children's schools at toddler level, at the initial teen stages, to inform them regarding their tooth development, tooth hygiene maintenance, and malocclusion with reference to certain diseases at their age. Especially, I will be talking of the ladies at the teenage because their malocclusion and their developmental developmental problems are right there in the initial stages. So if the motivation at the school level is there, we can get rid of many complicated orthodontic treatment very easily to be done in the initial stages. Secondly, in old age, especially prosthesis, and now the age of implants is there, our approach should be there that easy implant surgery, easy implant insertion for a general public, which is a non-affording public. So this is my also request that the motivation of the people towards the implantology is also, it is a call of the day that we must go for securing other teeth rather go for cutting the teeth for the crown and bridge and replacing them. We motivate the people for implants as well. Now, other thing is the education. This education is a very important task, especially for the publishers. And I'm thankful to Dental News that they have, from a long period, they have started this motivation not only to the dental surgeon, but they are motivating this whole dental services to the public level as well. It required good publication in general public in the form of the poster, in the form of panaflex, in the form of small radio programs, in the form of TV shows, in the form of what you say walks, in the form of school health services. These all should be there, and this is a requirement for promoting our dental health in Pakistan. My all regards to my fellows of International College of Dentists, and especially I will pay thanks to the International College of Dentists President, Dr. Haukam Cham, that he has given a motivation to all of the region and especially Pakistan, and especially he paid thanks to the Dental News for conducting this whole effort. And I pray all of you, and especially to the team of organizing committee, and to all the Pakistan motivators and free volunteers who are working for the 20th March 2021 for the promotion of the theme, "We are proud of our mouth." Thank you very much.